So we've had a great day on the water. We're done fishing. We're ready to take the stinger apart and load the boat up. We approached the shore with the stinger all the way up. We pulled the boat up on shore. Now all that's left to do, uncleat, lower the stinger, give some slack. Come back to the stinger tip, unclip, remove the sliding tube and the stinger tip, put them both together, put them in secure storage. And then simply tighten up our rope for transportation. A couple of wraps, a couple of half hitches, and we're ready to load the boat and go home.